Hello, my dear friends. Gather around because I have a special story to share with you today. It's about the consequences of being greedy.
Yay, we love your stories, Benji.
Once upon a time in a forest much like ours, there was a little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy loved collecting acorns just like all squirrels do. But Sammy wasn't like the other squirrels. He was very greedy and wanted all the acorns for himself.
What did Sammy do?
Sammy would spend all day gathering more acorns than he needed. He didn't share with anyone and hid them in a secret spot. He thought that having the most acorns would make him the happiest squirrel in the forest.
That doesn't sound very nice.
You're right, Fox. One day Sammy found a huge tree filled with acorns. He was so excited that he climbed up quickly and started gathering as many as he could. But the tree branches were old and weak. Suddenly a branch snapped, and Sammy fell to the ground, dropping all the acorns he had gathered.
Oh no, was Sammy okay?
Sammy was okay, but he felt very sad. All the acorns he had worked so hard to collect were scattered everywhere. While he was sitting there, his friends came by and saw him upset. Even though Sammy had never shared with them, they decided to help him pick up the acorns.
That was very kind of them.
Yes, it was. Sammy realized that having friends who care about you is more important than having lots of acorns. He thanked his friends and promised to share with them from now on. Sammy learned that being greedy only made him lonely, but sharing brought him happiness and friendship.
Sammy learned a valuable lesson.
Indeed he did. Sammy understood that sharing and being kind are what truly make us rich. Greed only leads to trouble, but generosity brings joy and friendship.
What a great story, Benji.
Thank you, my friends. Remember, sharing and caring for others is the best way to live happily. Now, let's all enjoy the rest of this lovely evening together.
Please like, subscribe, and share with all the kids.